the door is here. What's up, Minties? So I'm sure you're wondering why I'm so excited about this door. Well, that's because I actually designed this door myself, and it took a whole year for it to come from this company that I worked with in California. Now, the one hiccup that came along was that I made the door a lot bigger than I was supposed to. I thought that I had it under the height requirement that it needed to be, but it ended up being much taller than the lintel of my home. So they actually had to break into the concrete and the lintel and build a new one. So you can see right here they have the rebar, and they set up a piece of wood in the shape of the top of the door, and they went ahead and poured concrete to build a new lintel and make sure that the structure of the home was not compromised. And I wanted to make sure that wouldn't be an issue, so I forked over the money and had to build myself a new lintel. So a couple inches cost me a couple thousand, so I wasn't too happy about that. But at the end of the day, I saved a lot of money by going with this company in California, so I still came out on top. And yeah, it took a couple days for that concrete to dry. And then this is how it looks with the concrete above the door, and that's the beautiful door. I'm so happy. I love how it came out. There was a lot of anticipation waiting for this door to come in. I didn't know how it was going to look, even though I sent them the design. Sometimes companies, say they could do something, and then you get what you get, and all of a sudden you're like, oh man, this is not what I expected. But the door was gorgeous, and I wanted to make sure to protect my wallpaper. As you can see here, I still have to do the baseboards, and the drywall was put in on the inside. So at this point, it was time for me to go ahead and paint it. You can see those red circles. That's just some tape that I put on the door to prevent bugs from coming in. We actually have to get the door handles, and once we get that, then we could cover up those holes. So my husband and I went ahead and painted the new drywall, and then afterwards we just had to take that red tape off. This is the moment of truth, because this red tape is supposed to protect the wallpaper, and I really hope it did, because I'm not buying any more of this wallpaper. Alright, so 99% good. There's not the cleanest rip right there, but once I know it's fully dry because I painted it, I'm gonna just take a little sandpaper and smooth that area out. But for the most part, wallpaper is good. Alright guys, so this is before, and now this is after. So tell me what you think, guys. Was it worth the wait? Comment below and let me know. And in the meantime, make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.